Hi dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটরের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, আমরা আপনাদের সামনে এসেছি নতুন সংযোজন। প্লিজ হ্যাভ এ লুক।
Thinking about a cream? Don't worry. Now, Pond's White Beauty is available in the market. It's Insta Bright Tone-Up Milk Cream. Don't miss it. Try one today. For details, www.tisha.com.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.